Okay, so this is my 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It's got a 4.0 i6. It is making a crazy knocking sound. And get in and start it up. This is from a cold start. It's been sitting probably for about 8 hours or so. You'll notice when you first start it up, it doesn't necessarily make that noise when it's cold. But then we'll start shortly after that. We'll go ahead and walk on over and start her up. Now the oil pressure on startup is going to be a little bit high. We are running Rotella 1540 in it with a Mopar filter. So the oil pressure is going to be kind of high. It'll jump up probably to about 70 on startup. Once it gets warm, it'll go back down. Probably to about 60 when it's at normal operating temp. If we can find a key, we'll go ahead and give it a start here. Sorry for the quality of the video. You can see it. Oil pressure's fine. Gonna shoot way up. Gonna hold tight. About right there. Now, come out here. Can't hear the knocking noise yet. Got the engine. Still no noise. There it comes. Bring it back around. I hear pretty good. Get down under the wheel well here a little bit. Again from the top side. Squealing going on in there a little bit too when it's real cold like this. You definitely hear that knock. Once the engine heats up a little bit and the sound from the whining and stuff dies down, you can really hear it even better. To the passenger side now. More front of me. Doing it too bad right now. Probably the best it sounded in a little